I, over time, identified four donor profiles to help you know who to prioritize first. The first one is that loyal monthly giver. They are the individual who gives small but steady amounts for several years. It might be 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. They often are the ones that have untapped capacity. The other one is your engagement champion. They are the ones that are always attending your events. They're opening your emails, they're volunteering, they're just so deeply connected. The third one is the upward trajectory donor. So they are the ones that are increasing their gifts, even if it's a small amount, year after year after year. So they're testing their capacity to give more. They're stretching their own capacity as they give year after year. The next one is the untapped leader. So they might be giving smaller gifts, but on LinkedIn, you might see that they hold an executive role. Those are the ones that may not have been asked yet.